Hey everyone, welcome back to the 1% channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the top 3 stocks of April 2021. Before we get started, I'd appreciate it if you can like the video and subscribe to the channel, with notifications turned on, so you don't miss out on any new videos. Okay, so without further delay, let's get straight into our top 3 stocks of the week. Alright, coming in at the number 3 spot, we have Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. Microsoft, besides its operating systems and productivity software, the company also has a strong presence in cloud computing and video game consoles. CNBC recently reported that Microsoft is in advanced talks to acquire the speech recognition company Nuance Communications. Microsoft first approached Nuance in December last year, and the deal could finally be materializing. Nuance would have an equity value of $16 billion. That would make it Microsoft's second largest acquisition after the $27 billion purchase of LinkedIn in 2016. The acquisition of Nuance could expand Microsoft's capabilities in invoice software. MSFT stock has been performing well in the stock market, rising 17% year-to-date. This is noteworthy at a time when some tech stocks appear to be losing investors' interest. Financially, Microsoft is performing relatively well amid the pandemic. Most of its divisions like cloud computing, gaming, and virtual reality have flourished in the past year. Recently, the company also acquired the contract to build more custom HoloLens augmented reality headsets for the US military. The contract for over 120,000 headsets could be worth up to $22 billion over the next 10 years. With such exciting developments, do you think MSFT stock can continue its momentum? Okay, coming in at the number 2 spot, we have NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. NVIDIA, the world leader in graphics processing units. For those unfamiliar, the company designs GPUs for the gaming and professional markets. In addition, it also manufactures system-on-a-chip units for the mobile computing and automotive markets. As we're all aware, games and animations alike have improved tremendously over the years. This is largely due to the improvement in graphics, which is directly linked to the continuous improvement of processing architecture and continuous R&D. With the rise of cryptocurrency, NVIDIA is also not missing out on the party. The company can satisfy the demands from crypto miners with its new crypto mining-specific GPUs. In March, Hut 8, a cryptocurrency mining company focused on mining Bitcoin, purchased $30 million worth of NVIDIA's new crypto mining-specific GPUs. This is to help the company expand its mining other cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin. Given the widespread applications for NVIDIA's products, will you consider adding NVIDIA stock to your watch list? And finally, coming in at the number 1 spot, we have Shopify, ticker symbol SHOP. Growth stocks like Shopify are incredibly rare to find at a discount, such is the case today. Investors are now able to pick up Shopify shares at a 20% discount to their 52-week high. This is a company with steep valuation today. Concerns about rising bond yields have the potential to stymie the capital appreciation growth Shopify investors are hoping for. That said, for those seeking high-quality growth, paying up for a name like Shopify has proven to be a winning long-term strategy. This is a company built to last, operating in a sector with incredibly strong tailwinds. Long-term growth investors would be well served by checking out Shopify at these levels today. There's no denying that the pandemic led to the accelerated adoption of e-commerce among merchants and consumers, and Shopify's management acknowledges that as more people go back to doing more of their shopping in person in 2021, the pace of e-commerce growth will slow down. But don't make the mistake of thinking that the company's growth will completely stop. Shopify's management said in a company's fourth quarter earnings call that they anticipate merchants will still join the company's platform this year in a number higher than any year prior in 2020. This expectation that growth will continue is a reflection of the larger retail trend toward e-commerce. Consider that even in 2020, e-commerce sales accounted for just 14% of all U.S. retail sales, up from 11% in 2019. Sure, there will likely be a decline in some e-commerce spending when the pandemic is over and stores begin to open back up. But the bigger picture here is that e-commerce was already growing long before the pandemic happened, and it'll continue growing afterwards. Take a look at the chart below, and you'll see that the percentage of e-commerce sales is accelerating, from about 6% of total U.S. retail sales in 2013 to an estimated 19% in 2024. Alright, well that's a wrap for today's top 3 stocks to buy video. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new videos. And finally, please feel free to comment what you guys think of my stock picks and video, so any advice will be highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing rest of your day. Peace!